Hey everybody. Okay, just wanted to make this sort of unboxing on this shipment I've been waiting for a while now. Give you a little background. Of course, my channel is based on sci-fi ships, and I love the movie Aliens, just like a lot of people do. And I've been looking into trying to find some good models to build based off of the Alien franchise. And most of the models available are older models. They're kind of small and or very expensive. So I really haven't dived in to try to get one of those. And several months ago, I came across this company named Prodos, and they make an Aliens versus Predator war type game. You know, card game, war type game with miniatures. And I saw that they had some models based on aliens, and I have one. I had already bought one, the armored personnel carrier, which I'll do a video on in the coming days. And I gotten that a while ago, and they made another one for the Dropship, and it was a little pricey, but I was looking at it. It's like, well, you know, I'll see. And then all of a sudden, evidently there's a limited supply of them. There's a limited amount that they're going to ever build, and everyone dried up. All the sources dried up, and their prices started to skyrocket. So instead of paying ridiculous prices, I kept searching and searching, and I got on their website, the Prodos website, and over 4th of July weekend, they actually were producing some of the Dropship. So I ordered one. And when I ordered one, they also included a bunch of items that were free with the purchase. So let me show you what I got. It took over a month to get here from Poland, but they make these to order. And right now, they're not available. They were available for like a couple of weeks. You can order one. Right now, it's not available, but I have seen these now in other places in the States. So I guess they resupplied a bunch of people. So anyway, so let me show you the free stuff I got first. I guess to start a set of cards for the game, for Alien vs. Predator game. This is beautiful. This is a miniature of an alien inside a corridor and a Marine shooting at it with a 45. That's pretty awesome. I didn't put this together. This came just like this. So right now I just got to paint it. So I got to figure out how to paint something this small, because that's going to be challenging. I got this guy with his card. This is Major Dutch Schuffreiner. I have no idea who this guy is. Maybe you guys do. And this came like this. Another miniature, which I had to learn how to paint, so this will be practice. And this last item with some card, or a card. Oh yeah, Lieutenant Lynn. Here, let's see. Lieutenant Lynn Horoshora. Okay. Really bad pronouncing names. And this is her figurine. So pretty sweet. These 4 items came free with my order, because I ordered this thing, which is not cheap. And I don't want to ruin this right now, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so let's get to the main item. So this thing comes in what looks like it's a wooden box. Wooden box with a handle. Let me focus that in for you guys. Okay, wooden box with a handle. Classified from Fox. Wayland Unity Corp. So I guess that's a corporation that did those off-world cities. And you see the game. The company name is Prodos, licensed by Fox. This is the resin kit model of the UD-4L Cheyenne Dropship. Okay, so I guess that's the parts list and assembly. And this thing is pretty big. This thing is 16 inches long by 10 inches wide. Okay, so it comes in this wood crate, and as you can see, I'm not going to open up the whole thing for you because I haven't even opened this up yet. But this is very well detailed, good construction, and so imagine the wingspan on this thing. Okay, so this comes with 2 pilots in the cockpit. I mean, this blows away the old Holocron model they have out there that's like tiny relative to this. So I'm glad that I waited and I got this at the normal price. So there you have it. Take a look at that. Pilot, co-pilot. So obviously this will be a really cool kit to work on. Get to paint it, glue it, and then the arms are retractable. So this is way awesome. I had to save up a little bit for it because it's a little bit more than what I usually pay for a model, but this is available and I got one. And honestly, I would have paid double if they didn't make more. Initially they had a number on these, a number like, I think they were supposed to make like 1,000 or a certain amount, but I don't see that anywhere on the box. So maybe they just decided to make more from the initial run. This might be a second run because the first run was limited, like I said before. So anyway, I'm really glad I got my hands on this. And if anyone out there even thinks they want one, just go ahead and get it, because it's going to go up in value. And if I would have waited a year, I would have just kicked myself, because I never be willing to pay a lot more than I did. This is a $200 item, and I've seen it go for like $400. So I'm really glad that I waited to see it come out. I'm going to post on the link on the bottom of this video to show where I purchased it and where you might be able to find some in the States as well. Alright guys, until next time, I will post a video soon on the armored personnel vehicle, armored personnel carrier from Aliens from Prodos as well. And whenever I start this up, I will definitely get some video and show you guys, because this is going to be really fun. This is going to be really fun. I'm not going to rush it. This is going to be a lot of fun. Alright guys, until next time.